Best online businesses for beginners in 2023. New years, new resolutions, and of course, everybody wants to make more money. The desire is in place, but the strategy must be right too if you want to turn this wish to a reality. With the many advantages having an online business has, especially the low entry cost, it only makes sense to consider this sector even above a brick-and-mortar business. To help get you on your way, here are some online businesses you should consider in 2023. Number 1 is the good old blogging. Blogging has been around for a while, and since the number of blogs and bloggers keep increasing daily, many make the mistake of thinking it's outdated or overcrowded. While there may be a lot of competition, blogging remains a very viable option for anyone looking to start earning online. If you are a lover of writing and you have what you think is worth sharing with an audience of readers, you should totally consider blogging. One of the advantages of blogging is that it's very easy to start. Websites like WordPress, Weebly, and others offer templates that make the journey easier for a beginner. You must note, however, that consistency is very important. You have to constantly write and post top-quality content to build an audience community. Your content must provide some kind of value to readers. You can either educate, provide information, or entertainment for your audience so that they return for more. The moment you figure out how to constantly write content and have a steady audience, you can start making money from your blog through sales of digital products like courses, ebooks, and so on. Similarly, you can start putting up sponsored ads or posts on your blogs. While all of these will not happen overnight, it is a guaranteed way to make money if you can maintain consistency. Number 2, YouTube content creation. YouTube is another avenue to make money if you are interested in creating and sharing content. YouTube is the largest hub for video content all over the internet. Whatever the nature of your content, there is an audience out there waiting to watch it. All you need to do is make it fun, educative, informative, or entertaining to watch. And do it so consistently that your audience begins to anticipate your next video before they complete one. The more you grow your audience, the more your ability to make money with your YouTube channel. You can begin to advertise products and services on your videos, or even create a product of your own to sell. There is also the option of earning through the YouTube monetization policy, whereby YouTube pays you after you get a certain number of followers and views. YouTube also allows you to go premium. That is, your videos become available only to paid users on the platform for a certain monthly fee. Next is digital marketing. If you are adept in the art of science of marketing and promoting goods and services, you should consider digital marketing. This is definitely one of the surest ways to make money online in 2023 if you are ready. As a digital marketer, your responsibilities would include the creation and execution of online marketing campaigns for your clients' products or services. Typically, your clients would be startup businesses and small businesses who are looking to reach a wider range of potential customers on a limited budget. To thrive in this field, however, you need to have a thorough understanding of digital marketing phenomenons like search engine optimization, social media marketing, content marketing, email marketing, paid advertising, and so on. You can also carve a niche for yourself in any of them. The advantage of specializing is that you can focus on your strength and beat competition in your choice of specialty. Digital marketing requires creativity. It also requires a lot of research. Your campaigns can only be effective when your target audience relates with it. Therefore, you can't adopt a one-size-fits-all approach to digital marketing. You must be an effective researcher and gather relevant data about your audience. You must also be creative in the execution of your campaigns. Number 4, dropshipping. Dropshipping continues to rank among the most attractive ventures anyone can make money from online. And the mind-blowing aspect of it is the sheer ease of doing it. Perhaps that's what makes it so attractive. What you do in dropshipping is simply running an online business without having any actual inventory. You just receive orders, and then you contact your suppliers to carry out the delivery from their store to the customers. You are running an e-commerce business without the headache of storing, packing, or shipping any product yourself. Some of the reasons you should consider dropshipping include the considerably less capital required compared to owning a real store. Another reason, like we've mentioned earlier, is that it's easy to start. It also involves very little extra running cost outside your capital anywhere you are in the world. As long as you have an internet connection and a device to log in with, you are good to go. And the array of products you can choose to sell gives you very flexible options. Moreover, you can scale up the business as you increase your capital base. Starting a dropshipping business is best done by choosing a market niche and putting your best efforts into this niche. When choosing a niche, it's best that you choose a niche you are familiar with. You don't want to be totally clueless when a customer makes an order. You also should do some market research on your competitors and potential customers. Next, you need to choose a good supplier. eBay is one of the leading suppliers for dropshippers. The most important step after selecting your supplier is to create your online store. And finally, you must do a lot of marketing. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. A lot of people exist today with a large following on social media who don't have a clue what to do with it. If you are one such people, then you might want to consider affiliate marketing, especially if you are also the type that like to review products and services on e-commerce sites. Affiliate marketing is definitely for you. The thing is, a lot of companies still depend on word-of-mouth advertising as a way of selling their products. Companies like that are totally cool with giving a percentage of their profits to people who help them make sales. There are different levels at which you can get involved in affiliate marketing. At the unattached level, you only need to put up a product advert, and you get paid for each person who clicks on the product from your end. To be at the related affiliated marketing level, you need to have some authority and produce some content on the particular product you are marketing. This wouldn't mean you have to use the product personally. At the involved level, you will be marketing a product that you not only have an authority on, but also use and recommend. Making money online can be that simple. Number 6. Writing. This is probably the most saturated online business option. Almost everywhere you turn, you'll find copywriters and content writers in the excess. Be that as it may, writing is still an option to be considered for newbies in online business. The truth is, despite the excess of writers online today, there are certain writing niches that are not quite as populated as the popular ones, like copywriting and content writing. Unpopular though they may be, they are still quite essential to many businesses and individuals who are willing to pay top dollar for quality writers. Those niches include technical writing, business writing, and resume writing, and cover letter writing. If you are someone with a background in science and tech and you are sure of your writing skills, technical writing might be the gold mine you badly need. All you need to do is position yourself on online platforms where you can easily get hired by those in need of your service. Platforms that include LinkedIn, Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, and so on. Similarly, if you are versed in the parlance of the business and financial world, you should also get on those platforms and start pitching your talent to potential employers. Many job seekers are out today without a single clue on how to write their resumes or cover letters. A reasonable number of them are also willing to offer payment to anyone who can help them draft these important documents. Hence, if you have any experience in writing resumes and cover letters that are compelling, you should be making money from it. Simply put out the word on social media and be willing to present samples that are not only well written, but have been proven to be successful. And there you have an online business as lucrative as any. As the old saying goes, things are easier said than done, and it's not any different in the case of online businesses. There are a number of hurdles you must look out for on your path, however. Those include the legal standing or requirements of whichever businesses you choose to do. You do not want to be on the wrong side of the law. Also, you need to familiarize yourself with the peculiarities and uniqueness of the business you are venturing into. You must possess more than enough knowledge of whichever niche or industry you choose. Lastly, you need to come up with a viable marketing strategy. If you are ready to increase your earnings and willing to learn more, subscribe to this channel. Clicking the like button would show us you are ready for the challenge, so smash the like button.